Hi, my name is Jennifer Saunders, and I teach 4th grade at Port Towns Elementary School. My colleague and I are interested in finding a virtual manipulative that will help 4th graders model division and also represent division using pictures, as well as use abstract symbols to show their knowledge of division. The Glencoe Virtual Manipulative Suite is an excellent group of tools that is available free online that can do all three of these tasks. Let me show you the virtual manipulative that Glencoe offers. Glencoe.com is a textbook company run by McGraw-Hill, and this virtual manipulative package comes with most of their textbooks. However, it is also accessible online to any user that types in division virtual manipulatives. Is one of the second or third posts that comes up on Google. The virtual manipulative tool could be used for a variety of grades. You can select the grade that you're interested in by select grade, and you'll see that there are tools for pre-kindergarten students through 8th grade students. I'm interested in 4th grade, so I'm going to click on 4th grade. Then you can see the background. You can select the background that you want to appear on your screen. There are several backgrounds that are available. There are algebra mats, blank calendars, centimeter grids, 100 charts, place-weighted charts, and many more. Today I just want to work with a blank grid, a blank screen. Then you can select the manipulatives you would like your students to use. I'm interested in having my students build and model division problems using base 10 blocks. So I'm going to click on base 10 blocks. Let's say I want my students to be able to solve the problem and model a problem that is 6 divided into equal groups of 3. Well, my students could use this tool to build a model of this problem. So the student could pull out 6 unit blocks. Then they could divide this total of 6 into equal groups of 3. So I could drag 1 unit block, and it automatically links together to show a group. Try a 3rd unit block, makes a group of 3. Then I drag these unit blocks together to make a group of 3. And I can say, how many groups of 3 did I make? Well, I made 2 groups of 3. So 6 divided into equal groups of 3 equals 2 groups of 3. So my quotient, it equals 2. I could ask my students to write a division problem to show this relationship. So I started with 6. Use a pen to write. 6 divided by 3 equals 2 groups 3. Another lesson that I like to teach when I teach division is how to show repeat subtraction on a number line. And there is a dynamic number line in this collection of virtual manipulatives. So I'm going to show you, if you go to manipulatives, and to find the number line, you scroll down and click this little arrow. Excuse me, I went too far. And you hit number line. And to clear the screen, so your new number line, you can click that button and drag your number line onto the screen. This number line is very dynamic because you can set the number that you start with. So I'm going to go to the hand, so I have a cursor, and I'm going to start my number line at 0. And I'm going to have an interval of 1, and I want a maximum of 12 numbers on my number line and build my number line. It builds it for me. And now I can have my students how to repeatedly subtract on a number line to help skip count backwards. It is also very useful to use when teaching students how to repeatedly subtract on the number line. Students can use the writing tool to write over it to make groups of 3. If we were dividing, for example, the problem 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Or they could slide back this little cursor into groups of 3. So one group of 3, you can keep track of their work, 12 minus 3 equals 9. And we could go 9 minus 3 9 minus 3 equals 6. Equals 6. Make another group of 3. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Back on the number line. Group of 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. And so then you could say, well, how many groups of 3 did you make? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 groups. So 12 divided by 12 divided into equal groups of 3 equals 4. And the number line tool is very useful. Another strategy students use is to skip count backwards on a hundreds chart. Another virtual manipulative in this suite is a hundreds chart. It's a very dynamic hundreds chart where students can click on it. So let's say they wanted to figure out the problem 45 divided by 5. Well, students could click on 45 and then skip count backwards to 5, then land on 40 and count back 5, land on 35 and count back 30, and count back 5 more and you get 25, and count backwards 5 more and get to 20, count back 5 more you get to 15, count back 5 more you get to 10, count back 5 more you get to 5, count back 5 more you end up 0, you're done. And how many groups of 5 did you divide 45 into? You divide 1, 2, 3, 4. So you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You made 9 groups of 5. So 45 divided by 5. Take the cursor here. Equals 9. So in conclusion, there are a variety of manipulatives that students can use to model division problems. They are adaptable to the different level of problems, so you can differentiate your classroom, and they can be moved around and changed depending on how the student wants to change the problem. This suite has much more to offer, so I suggest that you go and search it on your own and see how it would meet your needs. I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, have a great day.